Special thanks to this company for sending us this portable dimming camping light. You can see a photo on the front of basically what it looks like. Nothing else around the box. So let's open it up. See how bright this really is. That's it for the box. So we have an included USB-C type cable here for charging. Nice to include that. Got a nice little hook. Gotta love that. Nice and metal too. Very nice. And then of course, a little instruction manual to tell you all about it. And then lastly, the camping light. So there's your power button. It's a solid light. It's just how the camera makes it look. You can change it to that color, flash red or off. And then it's the bottom, so you could set it like that. The port here on the back has a full USB-C port to charge it, as well as a USB-A port where you could plug in any device and charge it up. And then lastly, you're able to take these and fold them down. Ooh, they like snap into place, watch. Bam. And then it can set like that. So let's take this outside and show you exactly how bright it is. So this is this little lantern. I've got it all set up. That's on the highest brightness. There is this color as well, that color as well, and the flashing red, and then off. But on the highest brightness, let me show you at the bottom of my stairs. Definitely pretty bright light, more than enough for what you would need. And when you're up on it, it is definitely good and bright. And I love the indicator of battery right there. Can't beat that. So thanks again to this company for sending it to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces. In many ways, it's kind of like a Bray Wyatt lantern if you follow WWE.